Today, students are going to be learning how to administer CPR and also how to use an AED, an Automated External Defibrillator. We're going to be equipping all of our schools with that device, but our students are going to be able to be heroes. Today, they're all going to learn how to be superheroes and how to save a life so that in the event of an emergency, they know exactly how to react, how to respond, and again, ultimately, how to save lives.
Children have cardiac arrest as well. There's about 10,000 children in our nation that suffer from cardiac arrest each year. Cardiac arrest happens for a variety of reasons, and it's not age or gender specific.
I didn't realize this happens to so many people either. I didn't know it was such a wide, it was such a happening thing, you know. I didn't know kids and heart conditions was really an issue until it happened to me.
I think with any eventful situation, it can be a traumatizing thing for a student, but as we practice, as we learn, and today with the CPR Anytime kits, they'll definitely be able to learn on their own. They'll have a CD, but then also through their learning, they'll teach others. And so that'll be ingrained when we talk about muscle memory and practice. They'll definitely begin those aspects today so that in the event of an emergency, they can save a life.